Cauliflower is the beige of vegetables and unfortunately has a rough reputation. Let's redeem it with this creamy cauliflower soup. It starts with 2 heads of cauliflower cut into florets. To do this, cut a triangle or square shape around the base of where the leaves are and pull out the leaves. Then from there, you can cut around the head to make floret shapes. Here's a closer look at how I did this. As you can see, I'm cutting around the stem, pulling it out, and then cutting the head into florets. If you want to avoid this prep work, you can use frozen cauliflower florets from the grocery store. Just know this will affect the roast time slightly. Next, cut the onion into slices. Since the soup is being blended, you don't have to worry about your slices being perfect. Here are what mine looked like when I finished. Now you're going to peel your potatoes and cut them into cubes. Potatoes are what helps this soup get nice and thick because of the starches. I am using russet potatoes, but the type of potato isn't going to make or break this recipe, so use what you have. Finally, you're going to peel your garlic cloves. Distribute the vegetables and garlic between 2 sheet pans and drizzle with olive oil. Then season with the spices listed in this recipe, which can be found on my website or at the end of this video. Always season with your heart and stomach. You know your own preferences better than any recipe developer does. Toss the vegetables and roast at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 minutes. To a large pot or Dutch oven, add in your vegetables and liquid. Bring the mixture to a boil and allow to simmer for about 5 minutes. Make sure to stir occasionally so it does not burn. For this recipe, I used almond milk, but coconut or whole milk would work as well. You can also use half broth and half milk if you wanted to. Now it's time to blend the soup. Turn the heat down or off and blend with an immersion blender. If using a stand blender, make sure to do small batches while holding the lid down with a towel under your hand. And there you have it. My soup is extra thick because I did not have enough milk, but you can always add in more liquid later if you boil too much off. Please make sure to like this video and check out my channel for other recipes.